What's up, guys? We're back with episode 2 on how to use the Shortcuts app. And today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create invisible icons like I have on my tablet here. So to do it, first you need to open up settings. And then if you go to scroll down in wallpaper, choose a new wallpaper. And if you just want it to be a black wallpaper, just go stills, and at the bottom there's a black one. And the reason you have to do something like this is because it only works with one color backdrops. And if you want to create other color backdrops, then I would recommend in the App Store downloading an app called, I actually forget what it's called, but if I go into here, my purchased, and search Frame, here is the app. It's called Frame Artist Pro, and you can install it, and it's just some stuff I was working on. And then if you click on the plus in the top left, you can create this. And I'm just going to change the scale to 1 by 1. And click on that thing. Go to color, and you can choose a custom color. And then save that, like here, upload image. Choose the size and camera roll. Then you can just set your wallpaper by going to settings, wallpaper, choose new wallpaper, all photos, and select the photo. I'm just going to leave it on black though. And then once you've chosen a color, you want to go back on to your Shortcuts app and create a new one. And then you can just leave the code blank. Go to the 3 dots, click Add to Home Screen. Then select the picture and click Choose Photo. And then choose your background color. Then Use. Then beside the name, there's an X. If you click on that, the name disappears. So then if you go Add, if you hold down on your apps, click Edit Home Screen. As you can see, there's a new black, completely black icon with no name. And if I want to get rid of it, just click at the X and delete. And now how I have the text here is you could either change the name of the apps or go on to the Frame Artist. And then you can create a 1 by 1 thing. Click on it, photo, camera roll, all photos, and then your backdrop, so it's that exact color. And click on the backdrop 2 more times, click text, and you want to make sure if it's like black backdrop that the text is white. So I could say like, hi. Close off this menu, it says hi, go image, max, camera roll. And then if I go into my Shortcuts app, I can add to home screen, select the image again, choose photo, and click on that hi, and X out the name, click add. Now if I go to my home screen, there's a little app here that says hi. And I'm going to delete that because I don't actually want it on my home screen. This. Then delete it. So that's how you can create invisible icons for your home screen just using 2 apps. It's really simple. And if you want it to be black completely, you only need 1 app, which is Epic. But then if you want to put letters and numbers and stuff, you also need the other app. So that's the end of this video, and hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye!